Refinishing your bathroom cabinets can transform the entire look. And feel of your bathroom. It's a simple and effective way to breathe new life into the space. The key steps in refinishing your bathroom cabinets are repainting the doors, choosing new cabinet doors. Bathroom cabinet doors can show signs of wear and fading. By repainting, you can restore their beauty and give your entire cabinet a fresh new look. Start by cleaning the door panels and removing any dust or stains. Choose a paint color that complements your bathroom style. Let them dry before reinstalling them on the cabinets. If you're not happy with the current ones, can choose new cabinet doors. Gives you the opportunity to completely change the style and vibe of your bathroom. There are various options to choose from. Ensure the new doors match the overall style of your bathroom. It's worth noting that replacing cabinet doors may require professional assistance to ensure proper installation. By repainting the doors, choosing new cabinet doors, you can quickly and easily refinish your bathroom cabinets. These simple yet effective methods will give your bathroom a fresh and inviting appearance. Refinishing your bathroom cabinets can increase the overall value and appeal of your entire bathroom. Begin your renovation journey today. Follow us and get more details.